Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today we will learn chapter 5, that is the poet animal storm. Okay, first we'll do warm up, match the animals with the sounds they make. Okay, you have to match the animals with their sound. This first one is owl. Owls make sound of like hoot. Okay, so we will match owl with hoot. Goat, bleat. Goat, bleat. Camel, grunt. Again I repeat, camel, grunt. Snake, hiss. Snake, hiss. Duck, quack. Duck, quack. Okay, now let's come on the poet animal storm. It's an interesting poet. It's a child's imaginations, and he is imagining in the dream about the rain, and it's on the dream on animals. Okay, this poem written in first person child's perspective and describe dream on animals. It begins with the warning addressed to the readers about a storm that has broken out, accompanied by a heavy downpour. Raining, its use of raining cats and dog is taken literally by the child poet, who imagines a variety of animals raining down from the skies. This poem is one type of a poet is one type of imagination. It's not a reality. Okay, let's see. Be careful of the storm out there. It is raining cats and dogs and elephants and penguins too, and making pigs and frogs. Careful means about the storm. The child is imagining in the dream like it's raining like cats and dog. Literally imagining the variety of animals raining down from the sky. The child is imagining like that. There are horses, bears, giraffe, all falling from the sky, and look, there go some kangaroos and hippopotami. Hippopotami is the plural form of hippopotamus. More than one, so it's a hippopotami. It's a weird experience, like especially when he gives free rein to the imagination in his dream. Like it's all the animals are falling, raining down from the sky. This weather happens quite a lot, at least that is how it seems when I am asleep and looking out the window of my dream. It's a quite imagination, rain imagination in his dream. वो dream में देख रहा है कि it's a one type of weather. That's all the animals are raining down from the skies. वो उसका imagination है. Okay, it's not real, it's a dream. वो सपने में ऐसे ड्रीम देख रहा है, सपना देख रहा है कि ऐसे स्टॉर्म मतलब तूफान आ रहा है और ऑल एनिमल्स आर रेनिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द स्काई, मतलब बारिश की तरह ऑल द एनिमल्स बारिश की तरह स्काई से नीचे गिर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड जब वो देख रहा है विंडोज में, तो खिड़की के बाहर देख रहा है, तो उसको पता चलता है कि इट्स अ ड्रीम. ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द वीडियो. थैंक यू.